Dear students, from today onwards we are starting MSET Mathematics. In MSET Mathematics there are mainly four types, four parts, not types, four parts. First part 1A, second part 1B, third part 2A, fourth part is 2B. What we are going to do, we will take each chapter from first 1A, afterwards the first chapter from 1B, then go for first chapter 2A, go for first chapter from 2B. Like that we will do. All MSET questions are MSET level questions. Okay? See, what is there? First chapter is naturally functions in 1A. Okay. See, what I am going to do, at least each type of 5-6 questions I am going to do. Each type 5-6 questions. Hardly more than, not more than 10 types or something will be there. Around for each chapter 50 questions I am going to cover. If you study or if you observe these questions carefully, then you are going to get a good rank in your MSET. Okay? Let us see. Let us proceed further. Functions. First question. See, number of functions, number of injections, number of surjections, number of elements. Such type of problems we will see 5 or 6 questions. Okay? First question. Set A has 3 elements. Set B has 4 elements. The number of injections that can be defined from A to B, that means mapping from A to B, how many functions will be there as injection. Okay, injection. We know injection is on one function line. Okay, see how many injections are there. See, this question is asked in MSET 92. Okay, MSET 92. Okay, see, we will analyze first. How many elements are there in set A? Set A is having 3 elements. That means, see, rather than writing more steps, simple steps only I will write. Why? Because we are going to do objective. We are facing objective examinations. Rather than steps, answer you will require immediately. But limited steps I will make. Okay, see, number of elements, how many are there? A. Set A has 3 elements. That means I am writing like this. Number of elements from set A is equal to 3. Is it okay? N of A. Okay? Okay. The number of elements from set B is N of B is equal to 4. N of A, N of B. 4 elements. This is 4 elements, this is 3 elements. See, the number of injections that can be defined from A to B. Injections. Injection means what? See, function itself is A should be fully occupied and B may be vacant. B may be vacant like that is there. That means here A has to cover fully. See, the formula for injection functions, number of injection functions is like that. You see, N of B, P, N of A. You understand this? N of B, P, N of A. Okay, see, this is like NPR. NPR means what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. NPR. I am writing here, you see. NPR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial. This formula we already know. Okay? Or else we will know afterwards. As per our already in lower classes we have know this. NB, P, NA. NB you know, NA you know, P, NA. That means this is permutation. NCR means combination, NPR means permutation. See how we are going to deal this. NPR, NPB means what? NP is 4, P 3. Is it okay? Yes. Then that will be 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. Okay? N factorial by N minus R factorial. 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. That is equal to 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 means 1 factorial. 1 factorial value is 1. 4 factorial value is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1. That is equal to 12 into 2, 24. That means answer is 24 for this question. That means if set B is having 4 elements and set A is having 3 elements, injections, number of injections should be 24. Okay, 24 injection functions will come. Injections, number of injections. Okay, take this We will go for second question. Why? Because at least 6 questions we will see in this model. Number of like conjunction, injection, surjection, whatever it may be. Okay, let us go. Okay, see second question. If n is greater than or equal to 2, then the number of surjections that can be defined from 1, 2, 3 up to n on to 1, 2. That means here you see, you can take A as this. Okay, A as this function, B as this set, not function, set. Set A contains n number of elements. Set B contains only 2 number of elements. See here 1, 2 is there, even 3, 4 is also there. That is different. Why? Because see 3, 4, 2 elements. Don't confuse here. 2 is there, that is why 2, not like that. Number of elements are 2 here. Here A, B may be there, 3, 4 may be there, 7, 8 may be there, 100, 101 may be there. That is different. But number of elements in set B is 2. That is very important. Okay. See what I am writing. First you observe. Okay. Number of elements in set A. That means see n of A is equal to n. 1, 2, 3 up to n numbers are there. Okay. And the number of elements in B, n of B is equal to 2. Okay. Then you see, if this is the case, then the formula for surjections is like this. You see, 2 power n of A minus 2. Okay, that is equal to n of A is how much? 10. 2 power n minus 2. This will be answer for your question. See, not only 92, these questions several times they asked. I cannot recollect when they have asked. Even recently also they have asked. Okay, several times. Same question is repeating. At least 4 or 5 times they asked this question. Okay, please note carefully. N should be greater than or equal to 2. Why? Because here or else surjection will not happen. That is why that condition. If minimum 2 elements are there, means this may be minimum 2 and greater n number of elements. Okay, and see set A, set B. Set B if is having 2 elements, and set A is having n elements, then formula is 2 power n of A minus 2. See, if set A is having 7 elements, means 2 power 7 minus 2. Like that you have to write. Okay. Shall we move on to next question, third question? Okay. Then see question number 3. Let A and B be finite sets, and PA and PB respectively denote their power sets. If PB has 112 elements more than those in PA, then the number of functions from A to B which are injective is, observe carefully, this is injective is, like they are asking. Okay, see 112 sets are more than, or 112 elements are more than power set of A. See, normally we know what is a finite set. Finite set means limited number of elements should be there. There should not be infinite. Okay, that is the thing. A and B both are finite sets. Okay. Power sets. PA means power set of A. PB means power set of B. That also we know. 2 power n will come. Number of elements respectively denote their power sets. If power set of B is having 112 elements more than power set of A, that is very important. The number of functions from A to B, which are injective is. Why? Because see here, B is having more. A to B means you have got chance. Why? Because see, A less, B more. That you keep in your mind. Okay, let us go. See, as usual, we don't write more steps, but directly we will take. You see, let A is having m elements. Okay, see, I am writing what I am writing. See, A is having m elements means shall I write like this? N of A is equal to m elements. M number of elements. We don't know how many. Okay, and B is having n elements. N of B. See, what are A and B? A, B are sets. Number of elements in set A is m. Number of elements in set B is n. Like that we have taken. Okay. But see, power set means Power set elements, how you are, power set means 2 power m, 2 power m, how to write? Why? Because see, power set of A, then power set of A is equal to 2 power m. Why? Because A is having m elements. Power set of B is equal to 2 power m. Okay? See, if we analyze this, what they have given crucial point, 112 elements or more in power set of B. Shall I write like this? PB is equal to 112 plus PA. Is it okay? Yes. Power set B has 112 elements more than power set of A. Okay. This I shall also can write as PB means what? 2 power m is equal to 112 plus 2 power m. Okay? And this also I can write like this. I am sending this side. You see, 2 power n minus 2 power m is equal to 112. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because 2 power m, if this side comes, means this is going to become minus. Okay? See what I am doing? I am taking some common. 2 power m I am taking common. You see what I am writing? 2 power m, if I take common, then this will be 2 power n minus m minus 1. Is it okay? First you see, if you send 2 power m minus m, going to get cancelled, 2 power n will be there. 2 power n minus 2 power m. Is it okay? Yes. Purposefully we have written like this. Now you see, this is equal to 112. But this 112 also you factorize and change it. See how you are going to change? You are going to change like this. 2 power m into 2 power n minus m minus 1 is equal to, say, 2 power 4 into 7. Okay, 2 power 4 into 7. Why? Because 16 sevens are 112. 16 sevens are 7 6 are 42. 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11, 112. Okay, 200 and 112. See, but you see, 2 power m matched 2 power 4. But what about 2 power n minus 1 minus 1? See what I am doing now. I am changing this again. You see, 2 power m into 2 power n minus m minus 1 is equal to 2 power 4 is okay. But see, 7 I shall I write 2 power 3 minus 1? 2 power 3 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 into. Is it okay? Definitely okay. See, now if you compare these, m is equal to 4, n minus m is equal to 3. That's all. Write down. M is equal to 4. Why? Because see, 2 power m is equal to 2 power 4. Shall I write again? 2 power m is equal to 2 power 4. Need not write. We know very well. 2 power m is equal to 2 power 4. 2 power n minus m is equal to 2 power 3. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. That's all. Okay. See, m is equal to 4. But n minus m is equal to 3. Write down. n minus m is equal to 3. Okay. See, if m minus n is equal to 3, then what will be the n value? Why? Because see, n is equal to 3 plus m. N is equal to 3 plus m. Or n is equal to, m is how much? 3 plus 4. Or n is equal to 7. Okay? But injections, in first question we have seen how many injections and all. See, you are knowing the value of power set. But number of elements you have got m and n values. If number of elements if you know, then power set, number of injections formula already we have seen. NPR like. That means set B, P, set A elements. Okay, write down. Number of injections, I am writing this here. Number of injections. Why? Because see, injections only they are asking injective. Okay, number of injections is equal to B. N of B, P, N of A. That is equal to. N of B means what? N of B means N. N is how much? N is 7. That means 7 P. N of A, M. M is 4. 7 P 4. Okay? That is equal to 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 factorial. That is equal to 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 means 3 factorial. How we are going to write this 3 factorial? 7 factorial. See what I am doing now. That is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial you cancel out. 7 6 are 42 or we do one thing. 5 4s are 20, 26 120, 120 into 7, 12 7s are 84, 840. The value is 840. I don't know, let me see. Yeah, this is appearing in camera, 840. The answer is 840. Okay, number of functions. 840 functions you can do, injective functions. Why? Because you have got option 112 elements are extra there in this thing, power set. But elements, original elements are 4 and 7. That means 3 more elements are there. Then you can make such that. Okay? This will be answer for your third question. Take this, we will go for fourth question. Okay. See fourth question. The number of subsets of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 containing at least one odd number is. This question asked in EAMCET 2009. Okay? See here, subsets, number of subsets you can make 2 power n. Subsets, if you combine the subsets automatically it is going to become power set, we know very well. Several subsets we can make. That is different. See, total subsets you can make 2 power n. But here total number of elements are 9. Why? Because see, continuously they have written, that is why we could able to know that this is total 9 number of elements are there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 elements are there in a set. Okay. See, without any condition, how many number of, what we can say, subsets you can make means 2 power n. 2 power 9. 2 power 9 subset you make. But condition is here, at least one odd number is. At least one odd number you have to take. That means there is a link between the sets. At least one odd number you have to keep. 2 power n all are not like what we can say, complete without odd number, with odd number like. See, 2 power 9 means those are all separate numbers. 1 one number, all one number, 2 one number, 3 one number, 1 2 one set. 2 3 1 set, 3 9 1 set, like that you can write. That is going to become total 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is a big figure. Okay, 512 will come. But that figure they don't require. At least one odd number should be there in the set, like they are asking. That means see, directly you cannot do this. How many even numbers are there? How many odd numbers are there? Let us see first. Okay, see what I am writing once again. See, anyway these numbers are very less. 9 is less only, that is why I am writing once again. You see, let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements are there. Okay. See what I am writing. See what I am writing. Odd and even I am separating. Why? Because they only asked odd like. Okay. Okay. Odd, that is equal to how many? Even, that is equal to how many? You see, first I will write even. Why? Because even are less. 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. Write down. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even. Okay? These are even. Even numbers. Even numbers. Odd numbers also I would write. Odd numbers are how many? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That means see, odd number elements are 5 elements. See, here 9 must have come, but total elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there, odd. But even numbers 4 only. Okay? 4 only. Now go back to question. The number of subsets you have to make containing at least one odd number. See what I am writing here. Total number of subsets I am writing first. Total number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. that is equal to 2 power 9, that is equal to 2 power 9. Okay, 2 power 6 into 2 power 5. Shall I write like this? Why? Because, sorry, 2 power 6 into 2 power 3. 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. I can write like this. But the total should become 9. Why I have split it? 2 power 9 directly I cannot calculate. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 4 is 16. This I can calculate. 16 2s are 32. 3 is there. 16 3s are 48 plus 3 51. 512. That means, see, if without any condition, total number of subsets are 512. But at least one odd number should be there, means to first find even numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many even number subsets will come? Only even numbers if you take. Only even numbers. Only even number subsets is equal to, how many numbers are there? 4 are there. 2 power 4. Directly 16, that's all. Okay? How it has come? Only 4 elements are there, that is why. This is total. Total minus this one. Now you minus this, subtract this from this. That is going to give at least one odd number. Okay, now I am writing again. At least one odd number subsets is equal to 2 power 9 minus 2 power 4, that is equal to 512 minus 16. Okay, 512 minus 16. See, 12 minus 6 is 6, 0 will be there, 10 minus 1 is 9 and 4 will be there. You understand this question? Okay? Take this, we will go for 5th question. Okay, see, question number 5. But this question is not asked in MCET, but this is asked in Kerala CEE, Kerala Common Entrance Examination 2005. Okay, see, if n of a, why? Because number of elements, number of sets, number of such questions we have to make, that is going to make one group. Next class we will deal with another type of questions. Why? Because the total around 6 or 7 types of questions are there, or even more than 8 type of questions are, 8 5s are 40, or 8 6s are 48. Like that questions we will do for each chapter. Like that we will plan. If set A is having 4 number of elements, set B is having 3 number of elements. A into B into C. Don't forget here multiplication is there. 24 elements. 24 elements. Then NC is equal to number of elements in C. Set C is equal to how many? Like they have asked this question. Okay. See, this is a direct formula based question. I am writing this formula, you see. N of A cross B cross C is equal to N of A cross N of B cross N of C. Okay? Number of elements. Okay. If that is the case, then you see what I am writing. N of A into B into C is 24 is equal to N of A is 4 into N of B is 3 into N of C. Okay? Then easily you can write N of C is equal to, you require N of C only, 24 by 4 into 3. Okay? 4 6 times will go, 3 2 times will go. Okay? 24 by 4 into 3, 12. 2. That means number of elements in set C is 2. This is the answer for this question. Okay? Take this, we will go for 6th question. Okay. See, question number 6. If set A is 1, 2, 3 elements, set B is 2, 3, 4 elements. That means set A contains these elements, set B contains these elements. See, total number of elements may be equal. Here also 3, here also 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But elements are different. Here 1, 2, 3 is there, here 2, 3, 4 is there. Here 1 is not there, here 4 is not there. Okay? That we can observe. Then which of the following relations is a function from A to B? A to B mapping we can do. which maps A to B, like they are asking. You see here, every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. But here some relations they have given. By seeing these relations, which one is function, we have to decide. Okay. We know very well that relation may be anything from set A to set B, but function only that input or domain should not be vacant. That means set A should be fully engaged. All elements from set A should be engaged. 1, 2, 3 should have image. 1 is having image, yes. 2 is having image, yes. 3 is having image, yes. That means this may be function. 1 is having image, yes. 2 is having image, yes. 3 is having image, no. Then this is not a function. You understand? Elimination we are doing. 1, 2, 3. Every element should have one image. Okay? One image. But 3 doesn't have any image. See, 1, 2, 1 again it has come. That is my, this is not a function, first of all. Here 1 engaged, 2 engaged, 3 engaged, again 2 engaged. That is different case, we will see afterwards. 1, 2, 3 all are engaged. Okay? Okay. Now come to C. 1 is engaged, 2 is engaged, 3 is engaged. That means this may be function. Wait. Come back again here, fourth. 1, 2, 3 all are engaged. That means this is also maybe function. That is one condition. Another condition, you see, each element should have only one image. Only one image. Okay, that means see, one may have 2 as an image, or one may have 3 as an image, but one may have 4 as an image. That is different case. But one should not have 2 images. 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. That relation should not be there. If that is there, means that is not a function. Okay, only one image should be there. Okay, see, again go back here. 1 is having 2 as image, okay. 2 is having 3 as image, okay. 3 is having 4 as image, okay. But again 2 is having 2 as image. That means 2 is having 3 image, 2 is having 2 images. That means 2, if you do input to 2, only one output should come. Output is 3 means okay. Or output is 2 means okay. But output is 3 and 2 means this is not correct. That is why this is not a function. These are our relations. No doubt, but that all are not functions. Only one function is there. Now come to this D also. Come to D also. C we will see last. 1 is having image as 1, 2 is having image as 3. 3 is having image as 4. But if you go here, okay, see in set B, is there 1? Not there. Then this is also not a function. You understand now? See, 2 is having image 3, okay. 3 is having image 4, okay. These two are okay, but 1 is having image 1. But here 1 is not there. That is why this is also not a function. That means, see, if we eliminate 3, automatically remaining is a function, but even then we can see 1 is having image, yes, 3. 2 is having image, yes, 3. 3 is having image, yes, 3. See, 2 and 4 may be vacant. See, set B may be vacant. If set B all occupied means that is going to be called as range. If set B is vacant means some elements who doesn't have any pre-image means that is called codomain. Now here B has become codomain, not range. Okay, if all are engaged means this is going to become range. Here in this C, B is codomain, A is domain. A is domain always, but B may be sometimes range also. Okay, 1 to 2, 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 3. Many one function we can say, but this is a function. That is why C is answer for this question. You understand? This is West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination 2008 question. Okay. Now we will do one thing. We will stop this class. This type of questions, 6 questions we have done. In the next class we will see different model. Okay. Thank you very much.